In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Andrew Tate's The Real World for completely free. I'm going to show you two different methods that you guys could use literally right now today in order to get access to The Real World for completely free at no cost to you. So if you guys want this method to work, you're definitely going to make sure to watch till the very end of this video. So we're just going to jump right into it. But as always, thank you for watching. So the first thing to mention about The Real World is that there is so many fake versions of The Real World out there that if you guys just straight up Google The Real World into Google like this, you are gonna see so many of these scam sites right here. As you can see, there's this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Which one is it? Which one is the real one? You don't know. Is this one the real one? Let's take a look at this one right here. It might be, I don't know. Is there any evidence to prove that it is the real one? No idea. Let's take a look at this one. Completely different URL, by the way. Oh, it's basically the same site. Oh, what am I gonna look for? I got no idea. So it's basically really hard to get The Real World unless you go to the actual site that Tate keeps promoting in his videos, which is going to be university.com. Always go to university.com. It is the only site that we can basically 100% guarantee that is Tate's, because you can go to any one of his Rumble chats right now and he'll be like, yeah, go to university.com, check out university.com. And basically all you're gonna wanna do is just click on the better alternative. And then there you go, there is an alternative. You can just click learn how to today. And then as you guys can see right here, it's gonna just take you to check out jointherealworld.com. I guess that's the official one that they use. And then as you guys can see right here, you can join The Real World to escape the matrix. And then all you're gonna wanna do in order to get in is basically you're gonna have to do this set of instructions. You're gonna have to go ahead and put in your email address, your first name, and your last name. And I wanna make something very abundantly clear for you guys. There is no way to get around paying this initial $50, provided you don't watch till the end of this video, because I will show you a method that you can get it at the end of this video. You gotta stick around till the end of the video for, because as you guys can see right here, it's just not possible to get around this. They're not gonna let you into the actual The Real World. They're not gonna let you into the portal unless you go ahead and pay. And there's two ways to pay. You can join with a credit or a debit card, or you could pay with crypto. You could use Ethereum. It doesn't really matter. And you guys are definitely going to 100% have to pay for it, provided you don't watch till the end of this video, because I will show you a method near the end that you can go ahead and use that. But for now, what I want to show you is how everybody else around you is not only getting access to The Real World, but also getting it for completely free. If we go to, let's say, TikTok right now, and we check out any one of these pages right here, let's say this one, Cobra Rarecon, what's going to happen is that you guys can see right here is that this is just another page that you guys can go ahead and just check out Tate. But normally what they're going to have once they hit 1,000 followers on TikTok, they're going to have a little referral program right here that you can go ahead and click and sign up for. And what this referral program is that this is Tate's affiliate for The Real World. So essentially how it works is that when you get someone to sign up for The Real World, you get 40% of their commission. But we can check out this page right here. This page is a lot bigger. And as you guys can see, there's a ton of people just posting these super easy to make TikToks. And then they go ahead and link their own page to The Real World right here. So let's say, for example, you just make a singular TikTok and this TikTok just happens to get, I don't know, a couple hundred views, which is super easy on TikTok because TikTok always guarantees every single account to get a couple hundred views. Let's say you only get one sign up for that. One sign up would be about 40% of the revenue, which is going to be about $30 per month. You're going to get that entire $30 a month reoccurring. Let's say that you only get two people. Let's copy and paste that. That is now going to be $60 a month. Your subscription is only $50 per month, which means that if we take 60 minus 50, that equals 10, which means that you made a 10 free per month. So how do we go ahead and take advantage of this? So the first thing you'll have to do is actually go ahead and sign up for The Real World. And then once you get into The Real World, you can then go ahead and sign up for their affiliate program and get your own affiliate link. After that, all you got to do is just go ahead and take any one of these videos right here. You could just make them yourself. So you could literally just look up YouTube, Andrew Tate podcast, and then you can go ahead and use something like CapCut, and then you could just edit out the clips mad easy, re-upload them to TikTok, put your link in the bio once you hit 1,000 followers, and then boom, just like that, you could be getting The Real World for completely free. Now, if that method's gonna be too much for you guys, I got good news, because I actually found this exclusive Telegram group, which I'm gonna go ahead and put in the first link in the description, that if you guys actually go ahead and click on this link right here, which I will go ahead and show you a little bit later, you could go ahead and get The Real World for completely free. Keep in mind, you're not getting access to the portal. You're only getting access to every single campus. As you guys can see right here, they have a screenshot of what the videos that you're going to get is going to look like. Plus they have a screenshot of the money that they've been making from The Real World. So there's no good reason not to get on today. Plus they have a sell pass page where they have a bunch more courses just like this. I go ahead and check this out for literally only $19. You guys could get every single one of these courses listed right here. About $30,000 worth of courses. We have Iman Ghazi courses, every single one of them. The agency mutation for Montel course. We have the Sander Stage course. We have the Bulhizia course, including the TikTok update, as well as Sales by Grant Cardone, and the crypto courses and copyright fundamentals, all for only about $19. And they're using PayPal. Plus, if you guys do need a refund, just go ahead and reach out to their support and they'll get you a refund, no questions asked. When you guys buy it, it will take you directly to a Google Doc, which then you can go ahead and just get all the courses and get the mega links for them and then download them directly. So that's how to get the Real World in 2024 for completely free. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to go ahead and like and subscribe. And with that, we're just going to call it here. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Hope that you have a good day. Bye.